everyone, and welcome to SimQuest TV 2-Minute Tuesdays. In this week's episode, we'll discuss the production of architectural models through 3D printing. Architects use 3D models to help visualize the layout and appearance of their designs. Models can also help identify any structural problems or challenges that may exist, while a 2D floor plan or 3D CAD file can provide a general view of a building's arrangement. Tangible 3D models offer a much more vivid perspective. Modeling firms traditionally use a variety of methods for crafting models, including CNC machining, laser cutting, and manual cutting of wood, foam boards, and plexiglass. All of these methods can be effective, however, they require multiple skilled laborers and extensive lead times, both of which have considerable effects on the cost. There are also limits to the design freedom, making it difficult to form intricate geometries like thin walls, arcs, and spheres. Through 3D printing, architects can seamlessly convert their digital CAD file into high-quality 3D models. PolyJet is best for printing smooth, detailed models in a range of blended materials. FDM is great for models that have higher strength requirements and complex or abstract design elements. They can also be painted, and they do not warp over time like other materials. Through both technologies, architects can attain the high level of quality and detail expected by customers at only a fraction of the time and cost. Multiple iterations can be made throughout each stage, and printed models come off the machine fully assembled and ready to use. In addition, models can be printed with interlocking sections for internal visualization, and little to no operator interaction is required during printing. 3D printing can save modelers substantial time and costs while increasing their capacity for demanding projects. By combining 3D printing with conventional methods, modelers can propel their innovation and distinguish themselves from the competition. Well, that's it for this week's episode of 2-Minute Tuesday. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.